Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type here control panel and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select the view by as large icons and make sure just scroll down and click on sound. Then it will pop up a new window on the desktop. So we need to first of all just right click on the speakers, disable it, again try to enable it, and once done just select it and go to its properties and go to levels tab. Make sure we have to set this up to the 100%, and if we go to the enhancements tab, check this option, disable all enhancements. This will help you to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Then click on OK, and once done you can click on OK. So just restart the system, and you can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly. That will help you a lot to fix this issue and more effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.